Okay, so I used that form and I created this Google slide where they can edit it. So all you will have to do is post it in one of your, as your assignment, I guess, in one of your classes. And um, the background are the questions, and then these text boxes are where they would double click in and start typing in. Um, Oh, I don't know why the typing's off. I'll have to go through there and fix it. But anyways, so I actually put directions on here. Please double click on the colored boxes to type your answers. That way they know that. Um, I guess if they delete this text box, they're gonna have to figure that out, but middle school should be fine with that. Um, and then as for this one, I put type in your type an X in your preferred learning style. So they would just click this and type the X, whatever ones, and then other they could add to it there. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Okay, and then same thing with here. This one, all of them. And actually, I should probably make these bigger so we can actually see them. Um, and then the second page is here. And then you got your signature. And then I realized it asked for a school staff assisting student in development plan. I guess they could put their teacher's name here. If you want, you can just automatically put it in here and have it ready for them, or you can just leave it and they can fill out just tell them to put your name in there. And then I also realized that it's saying please select the student, so it's like telling you to do it as a teacher. So what you could do is you could just tell them you're gonna fill this out, so that way for me, so that I don't know, but I'm gonna make an elementary one that says describe your interests and motivations on here. Describe your, and I'm gonna change the questions a little bit for on that part. Um, I'm probably going to ask Miss Henry to make sure that's okay first. Um, However, I don't think a lot of them are going to have any issue. For the younger ones, they're probably going to have to ask them face to face and not create an assignment. So basically that's it. When you upload this, you're going to go to, so this is already saved in my drive. So when I upload this, I'm going to go to the classroom. And then in your classroom, so say I'm just going to use the technology task force one and post it. Classwork, you're going to go to classwork, create an assignment. I'm just going to call it EDP for now. You're going to type your instructions, fill this out, and make sure that you return it. So your two-way would be turned in Google Slide. So they'll be able to turn it in when they submit it. And then I would be adding it, and I would add it from my Google Drive. And since it's under my recent, I'm going to select it. And you're going to put insert, maybe. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so this is where you need to make sure this little drop down menu. Now here they can view it, they won't be able to edit. If you want to have them edit it, you don't want them just to have one document to edit. You want to put make a copy for each student, because then as soon as they open it up, it'll make their own copy where they can turn it in. Change all your due dates and do all that, and that's basically it. Then you would assign it, and they would be able to open it up and just edit it and type in there themselves, because it's making a copy for each student. So that's pretty much it. This is the main part that I wanted to make sure that teachers knew how to do. I will share this with those teachers that want this copy right here that I already made.